Hi everyone. Today we're going to see how to add a screenshot in the all new editor. And before I jump into the new editor, I just want to recall how things were done in the previous one. And we had the screenshot section over here, had the plus icon. Manage screenshots would take you to outside the editor in order to manage your screenshots. Here you would click on the plus icon, select the screenshot and upload. That would be the way to do it in the current editor. And in the all new editor, so we have thought of multiple ways of doing it. So first of all, you can see the screenshot section renamed as references. You can see the screenshot over here on the right hand side. Let me grab a key which does not have a screenshot attached to it. So something like this. And you would see a plus icon over here. And then you would click on it. You would select the screenshot that you want to upload. The screenshot is being uploaded. You get a notification. It's been uploaded. You also have an action item over here, so you can directly go click place key and go into the edit mode in terms of adding keys on your screenshots. Of course, you can click on the screenshot and zoom it, open it in a preview model, and then go. Of course, editing would take you to a screenshot manager, and that's pretty much basic thing that you can upload and see the preview and so on. What really excites me to share is that, for example, there are keys. There are further keys. For example, over here you can see if you hover over the screenshot itself, I've added the keys, or I've placed the keys on the screenshot, and you can hover over them to see the content which they are emphasizing on. You can also do that in the preview mode. So over here, and this does not really allows you to look into the key specific rather than generally what's available on the screenshot. Everything is available on the glance. So that's pretty great for all the users. And also it gives you a summary. So for example, the screenshot name, for keys attached, when you have multiple screenshots, so there's a key, for example, over here, you can move between the keys and see all the screenshots over here. Another way to upload the screenshot would be if you just want to drag and drop, So for example, if I drag and drop, over here you can see drop a file. So if I have a key attached, the good thing is if I have a key attached, it would be attached to that key. The good thing about it is that if I don't have any key attached, it will still be uploaded to your screenshots, and later you can place a key. So that's pretty amazing and easy. So over here, I already had a key open and selected. So that's why it's attached to this key. So for example, on the third page, you can see the screenshot attached and uploaded. But for example, if I had no keys selected like this, let me quickly take a screenshot over here. And then if I want to upload this, I can still drag and drop and upload. So that's pretty nice in terms of that. And you can, of course, go into place a key, edit screenshot manager, and then place the key. One more thing that you can do is that if you have copied a screenshot from the clipboard and then you want to copy paste it, that also works. So let me share something from my so over here you can see I'll press Command and C from my keyboard, copy it, and then go into my editor, and I would press Command and V. And now you would see the screenshot is being uploaded and the screenshot added. So that's pretty easy, and that's how you can upload the screenshot in the all new editor. Happy uploading.